Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 3-minute messy updo on medium length hair. To start, I've just curled the hair roughly. This doesn't have to be perfect, and we're going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on each side. Then divide the hair from ear to ear, and we're just going to clip that bottom section out of our way for now. And I'm going to take some volume powder and apply it at the roots only. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then just mist a little bit of wax spray over the top of the hair to control any flyaways, and pop that top section into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then with your fingers pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture and volume. And I'm just going to clip that ponytail out of the way, and working on the hair at the bottom we're just going to create one more ponytail. Release that top ponytail down so you've got one on top of the other, and starting with the top one I'm going to simply divide it in half and wrap the ends loosely around one another to create a twist, then secure with an elastic band. Take your fingers and pinch and pull that twist apart for more volume and texture. And then we're simply going to wrap that twist around the base of the ponytail, tuck in the ends underneath, and then securing all the way around that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the bottom ponytail, so create your twist and secure it with an elastic, then really pinch and pull that twist apart. Next, wrap it around the base of that ponytail, making sure that you tuck the ends underneath. Your two buns should slightly overlap one another, and then secure all the way around the outside with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.